What's up guys, my name's Summi. We're here with Kitchen Raid and this is Food for Thought. Today we're checking out Sweet Chick, co-founded by John Seymour and the one and only Nasty Nas. Let's hit it up. So we've just gone ahead and ordered off the brunch menu. You know how we do it here with Kitchen Raid. So we've gone for a Nashville chicken and waffles, some maple glazed bacon, and the ricotta pancakes. Looking forward to all of them, especially the chicken and waffles. So a lot of people think that's a southern dish, but it actually started back in Harlem in around 1920s, and in the jazz clubs where a lot of musicians that finish their set, hit up the kitchen, and chef would say, yeah, got some fried chicken from dinner, got some waffles ready for tomorrow morning, but they hit them all up after their set, and that's what I'm really looking forward to. So let's see how it is.
Mixed berry and a mixed herb.
Cool, thanks a lot. Alright, so we got the ricotta pancakes here with the maple glazed bacon, looking very good. The sweetness of the jam goes so well with the bacon, so good. Oh wow. Just gonna try a bit of the macadamia butter. Oh, really get the calories in there. Oh god. Oh. Trouble. Oh. Even the way you cut into it, you can tell. So crispy. Crispiness is on point. So these guys use their sweet tea brine. So they actually use a pressure cooker when they fry it. And it's incredible, the crispiness when you bite into the chicken, but yeah, the chicken's so tender and soft, it's done very well, and the waffles are, it's like I'm on air, incredible. When you guys hit up Sweet Chick, I'll say this is a must get. So good. It's on the brunch menu and dinner, so definitely hit it up. Hit the sweet spot. Hate to see it go. Might have to order another one, you know. So here we got our pork belly nuggets with kimchi, blueberry glaze, and some watermelon. Let's see how it is. Feels really good when you bite into that pork. Pickled watermelons is interesting, has a nice kick to it. I'd say accents the pork very well. The blueberry glaze actually goes really well with the pork. Reminds me of like a barbecue pork dish. It's, yeah, I'd say definitely something to get when you come. So we got the Kung Pao chicken with some Kung Pao sauce, and they've actually gone for the broccoli waffles, as you can see on see over here. Some nice juices over there, so let's dig in. this one they fry, and then after this fried it, they top it up with the kung pao sauce, which is sweet but also has like a little kick to it. I'd say if you're into like your saucy kind of chicken, then definitely hit this up. But for me, I'd say the Nashville was better. It just had more of like a spicy kick to it. In terms of the broccoli waffle here, if you want to have a look. So again, I didn't really taste much, to be honest. Very similar to the classic waffle, but I'd say let's have another go. Getting a bit more of the broccoli now. I'd say stick to the classic. Can't go wrong. One additional thing they add is the peanut, and I know it's very small, but I'm a big fan. It just adds like a nice little salty crunch to your meal. Love them on the side as well. The sauce is what makes this, I think. Top off with a little peanut. In terms of chicken and waffle, probably some of the best I've had. Haven't had many, to be fair, but did hit spot on. Hi, I'm Summi.
Come on in. Do you want to learn how to make mac and cheese? We'll start with a scoop of our really delicious bechamel. Pepper, yep, and pasta. Now this shape is good because it traps all of the sauce. This bechamel has 3 different kinds of cheese in it. Gonna dump it right in there.
Harder than it looks. This is the mac and cheese that I helped to make. Yeah, the cheese really goes well. I'd say fairly standard mac and cheese, but could be something to get. Mentioned earlier, the pressure fryer that they have.
We pressure fry for 15 minutes, and the last 2 minutes we do an open air fry. So we get a really nice.
Oh, look at that! Wow. How do the waffles work?
So you put the waffle batter in,
Yep.
but before that you spray with non-stick spray, and then when you put the batter in, then you close them and let them cook.
So everything you've seen down here in the kitchen gets sent up straight through here to the ground level, and I think that's why the food's so quick to arrive. This is the back room that you can hire out, do your events. So it let Nas down. J. Cole's like, Park was like Jesus. Nas wrote the Bible, but then when Nas returned, he was like, Slick Rick was like Jesus. He wrote the Bible. Artwork here is just amazing. Amy Winehouse with cherry wine. You got Bay here, Mob Deep down there, Biggie stuff everywhere. Vibe here is amazing, like people are so nice, food came really quick, music is popping, like of course spread love is the Brooklyn way, but yeah, come on down guys. It's just off Oxford Street.